Mau sembut Menteri Rambak Kajala Oba Preston Tensong yang kebenta ke Bakongsan jangka kernet ke Bahindriu hak karoi kapar jangka rilum Garo. Ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Ghadc ke Rakhe ke Sngi Burom Council Day ke ba Nyapulai District Library ke Badiru ke Auditorium Tura. Hagan ke Sngi lai shimbentaru sembut Menteri Rambak Kajala Oba Preston Tensong ke Mukongsan kinong yalam ke Ghadc bat kiwe-kiwe. Hagan ke jing Rakhe lepen pai ke jing pre jangka Ghadc ke jing AI ke ba Kia kedua bat kijing temu basyadian. Haringkat bat ki program tenrai jang kijing ruai idri kijing ruai choir dan kena school bat kijing syat wanggala. Ha kijing kren jang ubat tensong la banjur ya kijing don kam jang ka kernet ke Bahindriu bat ke benta jang ka council ha ka baide bat ka roi ka par ha ka ni ka than. Ha ka ni ka singila pen pai kijing tresitom jang ka Ghadc ban penne ka sensha ka khadar bat ban penne pen saru ya ka culture hari lom karo.
The spirit and the meaning of the 6 children, not only in Garo Hills alone, but be it in Kasi, be it in Janki. Without the 6 children, I don't think we are here today as a master. So therefore, friends, we are so lucky with the presence of the 6 children, and we will further strengthen it. You must have seen it in YouTube, you must have seen it in social media. Some group of people, they said, I think now the 6 children is redundant. 6 children is no longer necessary. Some group of people, I think you must have seen, I don't know, maybe this side also. You must be having that group of people who says that now we don't need this council. Let me tell you one thing. Those people who say that we don't need district council, we don't need 6 children, meaning they are planning something to end our journey as Meghalaya. Very dangerous, let me tell you again. The celebration that we have today, and may God bless 6 children, may God bless Garo Hills Autonomous Council, and may God bless Meghalaya as a whole.